Bring you royal greetings. Ishi Madoka and Ishi Mbediwe. I want to specifically thank both of you for making our time to be part of this celebration. I am delighted.
Thank you.
He's still our son and our prince.
My son here, who is the prince, our prince, has finally decided to select a maiden who has become his wife. We are not just talking about a maiden, we are talking about one who is actually very beautiful.
He has good eyes, just like you, our king.
Oh, don't Nneamaka! That is it. You know, my biggest regret is that my late wife is not here to experience this very wonderful celebration. But nonetheless, there's no problem because I believe her blessing is always with us. Who's my son? Can you please kneel with your bride so I can give my royal blessing? I am saying that this marriage is already blessed. The man who decides to find a wife actually found something good for himself. And the woman who accepted to be wife to a man has found somebody who she can submit to. Both of you will experience peace in this marriage. I have enjoyed the best of life as a king. And I am saying that, my son, as we are married from today going forward, you are going to enjoy more. This marriage will bring you peace. This marriage will bring you progress. The things you are going to eat will continue to come to you. Whatever thing that it is that is planning to eat you will never come. It shall be well with you today. it shall be well with you tomorrow. And it shall be well with you until...
Ikenga, what are you doing here?
Nneamaka, why do you always get angry anytime you see me? Why?
I ask again. What are you doing here?
I didn't see you at the palace. There was a celebration. The prince brought home his bride.
Thanks for the information. You can now go.
Nneamaka, Biko, come and go down, please. Okay, I brought you this wrapper. The king shared it at the palace, so I'm offering you mine.
Ikenga, I have enough wrappers, so you can keep this one for yourself. Please leave.
What exactly did I do to you wrong? How? What? I've been trying to woo you for months. Please, give me a chance to show you how much I love you. Please.
Ikenga, I said leave this compound right now.
I'm not leaving. Yes, I need an answer today. I'm not going to leave.
You see?
I said I'm not leaving. I need an answer today.
Eh? You're not leaving? You are not leaving?
I'm not. You heard me right.
Eh? Gwachirego? Anamabia. Okanode! Okanode! Okanode!
Karima, my beautiful wife. You're the most beautiful woman I have ever set my eyes on. Even at night, your beauty radiates. I thank the gods for making you my bride, because I don't know what I would have done. In fact, I would have remained single if you had turned down my proposal.
My love, I am honored to be your wife. I would never have refused. I love you.
I love you more. I love you.
I heard she's a witch and she will kill any man that she marries. That's why she's still single.
Hey, my sister, I heard she also have a secret husband in the marine world. That is why she wouldn't get married in this world.
Ha! There's an evidence that she's an evil person.
Eh?
May the gods forbid.
It's fear.
Let's go. Ha! Let's go, let's go.
Son.
Greetings, Father.
Greetings to you. I was not expecting you to have woken up by this time. You know, as a man who just got a new wife for himself, I was thinking you could be busy. Up to this moment.
You're right, Father, but I didn't want to just keep you waiting, Father.
Interesting. Well, I actually demanded to see you because I feel this is the right time for me to show you the other lands you own that you're not even aware of.
Other lands I own. Father, are you trying to say that this one you want to show me is different from the one I already know?
Yeah, of course. I am talking about the lands gifted to you by my father. The lands I am supposed to show you when you become a man. Now that you have gotten a wife for yourself, I feel this is the right time for me to show you those lands. Are you ready to see the lands?
Yes, Father. I am ready. Thank you very much, Father.
Good. So, how is your wife? My love.
Greetings, my prince.
Leave us. I thought you were inside.
No. I decided to just sit here for fresh air.
My lover actually came to apologize to you about last night. I am sorry. I mean, I don't know how it happened, but please, I am sorry. It doesn't always happen like that.
Maybe you were not in the mood.
No, my love. I was in the mood. In fact, I was ready for action. But I don't know what happened. I became weak. My love, please. I am sorry. Okay, please. It will never happen again. I promise you.
If you say so.
I promise. Okay? I assure you, I'll make it up to you. Alright?
It is okay, my husband. It's okay.
Thank you. Thank you for forgiving me. I actually asked the maids to make her something special and delicious. So, can we go and eat?
Sure.
All right.
What is wrong with you? Eh? Are you mad? Poala? Hey!
Oh.
Leave me alone!
I cannot play with you.
What kind of useless play?
Is that why you have to slap
What
me?
kind of useless play is that? Eh? Look at my vegetables walking in a Maggie. Or what are they wagging? Hey!
Listen, if you were me and I was you, would you stay away from me?
I will stay away from you. Listen, oh. Erika, the sun is too much. Please, do not provoke me this afternoon. Again. Leave me alone now.
Ami, can you just give me a chance? Just give me a chance to prove to you that I'm the man for you.
May the gods forbid. I repeat it again. May the gods forbid that I give a married man like you a chance. Never. I won't do it.
Just tell me, what can I do to make you interested?
I will never be interested. Never. Go home to your wife. Don't stalk me again. Go home to your wife. Leave me alone. Okay?
With the way you're even going in step, you can even clock 90 and still be single.
Let me clock 90 and still be single instead of having something to do with a married man like you.
No wonder. What they said about you is even true.
What they said about me? What did they say about me? No, come and tell me now.
To say yes. I've been trying all possible means to prove to you that I love you.
Love or wako. Love or wako. Don't love me. Useless man, I don't blame you. This is how I'll be walking up and down on the road looking for who to love. Don't love me. Hold your love, Biko. What is all this nonsense? I didn't even slap you well. What is all this? You cannot respect yourself as a married man. I don't blame you. I pity your wife. Useless man.
You said it won't happen again.
I'm sorry. I don't know why this is happening. I'm so confused. This is strange.
I want to sleep. Please shut the door when you leave.
Happening to me. I am aging every day and I can't say yes to a man because of my past. How do I explain what happened? Who would believe me?
My son.
Greetings, Father.
Greetings, my son. How are you today?
I am fine, Father.
You may be seated. I can see. The glow that comes with marriage is already very evident on you.
Anyone who lives in this beautiful palace with such amazing people would definitely glow, Father.
I am so delighted to finally see you are enjoying your new home. And I make you this promise as I sit on my throne, that I'm going to do everything possible to make sure you remain very comfortable as you live here.
Thank you, Father.
Come. There is something I actually called to give you. Something that belongs to you and you alone.
Okay, Father.
Here. Waist bead for you. They are actually from my late wife, the former queen. And it was her specific instruction that I give them to you once you arrive as the wife to her son. And now you are here. They are yours.
These waist beads are so beautiful and colorful, Father. The best I have ever seen. Thank you.
I am actually happy to see that you like them. Wear them only on special occasions.
Thank you, Father. Thank you.
Welcome. So how are you, my son?
Hey.
My love, you are finally back. Welcome.
Why are you doing this?
I'm sweeping the compound. Our compound to be.
Don't you know that anyone who sees you like this will think you are under a spell?
Yes, so I'm under a spell. In fact, I'm under a spell. Yes, you have successfully put me into your love spell. And let me tell you something. I am very comfortable there. Just leave me there. I'm happy. I am very relaxed in that spell. I love it. In fact, I love spell. Yes.
Thank you. Oh, no. Dalon and Kimeleme, thank you. But please, you have to go.
It's only this small portion. Let me just... We finish it now.
Ikenga. Thank you. Okay? Please.
Are you sure?
Please. You have to go back to where you came from. Oh, Dalon.
Are you sure?
Yes, just go.
You know, I know you're trying to form a hard girl. Yes. And I also know that deep down inside of you, I know you've already accepted me as your husband. I know. But I will go. I will go and come back later. I'll come back later. So you just take care of yourself, my wife. Are you sure you don't want me to fit? I can even sweep the back.
Ikenga, thank you. Just go.
I should go.
Yes, just go. Thank you so much.
I love you, my wife.
Ikenga, just go. Yes, just go. Go. Thank you.
I love you.
Hey. Just go. Oh?
Okay.
Hey. What is wrong with him?
Wise one.
Take this.
Thank you. Wise one, are you sure this would work?
Are you doubting my capability?
No, Wise one. I am not doubting your capability. It's just that I am in shock over what is happening to me, Wise one. It is totally strange.
Whatever the problem might be, it will be solved once you think this before you go into action.
Wise one. I will not say anything for now until I go and come back. I pray to the gods that this will work. Of course, I have faith that it will work. Wise one. If it works, I will come back and see you in appreciation with lots of gifts.
Just follow my instruction. Everything will be all right.
Thank you, Wise one.
You may leave.
The most beautiful one. I miss you so much.
I missed you so much more.
Hey, Chai. A little bit, John. Hey, Assam. You know, you see, the day. Hey, you see, The day your parents made you marry that useless idiot called Prince was the saddest day of my life. I wish I could do something. I wish I could just evoke one deity, one spirit to just go and scatter everything here. Just that I couldn't do anything as a man.
It's okay,
I was dying in silence inside this hut, inside this very position that I'm sitting down here. I was dying in silence here that day.
My love, it's okay. It's okay. What matters is that I am here with you now. I love you. I love you so much. Not even my marriage to the prince will stop anything.
Thank you so much, my love.
Hey. My love. The first day that prince tried to touch me, I was so irritated.
Have you seen it?
And guess what?
What is it?
He's not even a man. He cannot perform his duties.
That useless prince?
I'm telling you. Just imagine what my parents made me marry, all in the name of me becoming royalty. Imagine.
You mean the prince of this kingdom could not perform his duty as your husband?
Perform what?
Anyways, thanks to the gods. Thanks to the gods. There is one saying that goes, so I am very, very happy. At least not all men are like, the prince. At least. You can.
My love, calm down now. Stop talking. I can't testify.
Oh, if you get on a bagabana house, if you get a walk, you go there. Look, I can do anything. See, I can die for the sake of your love.
I know.
I am ready. Me, Obin. I am ready to die for the sake of your love.
I know. I love you so much.
I love you more, my
I love you.
Oh, you become now again. Once it started jingling, the next thing now, we see like this. Hey, what are
Who's that?
It's me, your husband.
I'm coming.
My love, you were not around today. I searched everywhere for you.
I'm sorry, my husband. Sorry I went out without obtaining permission from you. I was bored, so I had to take a walk around the village.
It's okay, my love. Please, unless you want to go out, let me know. You know I don't like staying alone without you. What is it? Is there any problem?
No problem at all. I just don't want you to start what you cannot finish.
Come on, my love. Listen, I'm sorry about the previous attempts, okay? I am sorry. This time around, I promise you, I will finish what I start. Please, let me make up for all the wasted days. I beg you. Let's go. I'm sorry, my love. I am so ashamed of myself right now. I can't even look at you. I'm sorry it happened again.
It's fine. It's perfectly fine. Maybe you should just relax on trying to do it.
Good night.
Good night. Nonsense. After all the confidence, couldn't even perform.
What have I done? What is my crime? Why is everyone avoiding me? Why? They call me a witch. What kind of humiliation is this? What kind of humiliation is this? What kind of humiliation is this? They make mockery of me. Why am I living a life of humiliation? Why? What have I done? 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 What have I
Wise one, you promised me that this herb was going to work.
Yes.
It never did, wise one. It didn't work.
Are you sure you followed my instruction as I said?
Wise one, I followed your instruction to the letter. I did everything you instructed me to do. I slept like a vegetable. Wise one, it was as though you gave me a sleeping dose. I slept like a baby.
There is something more serious to this than I thought. But nevertheless, there is no problem that I cannot find solution to. Just wait for me. Take this leaf. When you get to the palace, squeeze this. Then take the seed from this. After squeezing it, bring out the water. Mix it with palm wine. Drink all before you go into a hut. She will thank you later.
Wise one, thank you. Thank you very much for this. And I have not forgotten my promise to you, wise one.
I am very, very sure that this will work. Whatever the problem might be, this will solve it. Just go and enjoy your... Go and enjoy yourself. Ujirujubo. Ujirujubo.
Easy, easy. Sorry. That's okay. Thank you. If my husband returns, let him know I'm going to visit my cousin, Nneamaka.
Should I accompany you, my princess?
No, there will be no need for that. It would be better you stay here and make sure everything is okay.
Yes, my princess.
Thank you.
The most beautiful one. You are looking beautiful.
Thank you.
You know, I am the luckiest man on earth. You are more beautiful than 10,000 maidens put together. I am the luckiest man on earth.
Stop it. Yeah? You have a way with words.
Ugeboyibo, words flew out of my mouth while praising you.
What have you been up to?
Ugeboyibo, I am preparing something delicious for us to eat. After eating that, we will go inside and, start the main meal. Go inside my Ugeboyibo.
You are the one I hold so dear.
It's my wife inside her hut.
No, she left a while ago.
Where did she go to?
She went to visit her cousin sister.
Alright, if she comes back, tell her I need to see her in my hut.
Yes, my prince.
Osinachi,
I love your back.
I am not your love. Eh? What are you doing here after all I said to you the last time I saw you?
This is my way of saying I'm sorry. Please forgive me. As a matter of fact, everyone in this village knows that I have anger issues. Please, I'm sorry. Just forgive me.
Listen, Osinachi. I don't want to come across to you as someone who is ungrateful. All these little things you do for me, honestly, I appreciate them. But Biko, stop. Stop! You have to go home now, please. Go home.
Well, my love, as long as you let me take care of you, there's no problem.
I am not your love. Osinachi.
My love.
I am not your love. Can I ask you a question?
Yes, you can. Any question?
All these things you come here to do for me, do you do them at home? You don't! Look at you, you're now stammering. Biko. I do not want anyone to come here and fight me. Iko Guadirom. Go home, please.
My love, can you just give me a chance? Eh? Let's reason together.
Osinachi, I am not your love. Can't you get it? Nababiko, go home.
Well, let's say you're not in a good mood.
Hey.
I would go and come back later in the evening. I think by then you should be fine. Okay? Just take care, my love.
Go.
I have to get married. My
Don't
love.
come back. I'm not your love. I'm serious, so don't come back, oh.
Greetings, Father.
Greetings, son. How are you today?
I am fine, Father.
Is it that? I sent for you because I have been observing you. And I have noticed that something is eating you up. Can you explain to me what the problem is?
Father, there is nothing wrong with me. Just that of late I have been trying to put one or two things in order, Father. But I can assure you I am fine. There's no need to worry yourself about me, Father.
Are you sure?
Yes, Father. I am sure.
You know, even as you are sitting before me, your countenance betrays you. That's a problem. You have not been leaving this palace like you used to. It appears as if you are hiding within the four walls of the palace. And when you manage to leave, you leave without your bodyguards. So I'm asking you, what is the problem?
Father, I have said before, there is no problem. I am the prince of this great kingdom, and I know for sure that our subjects love us so much, and they will not do anything to hurt us. Father, in that regards, I don't see the need going about with my guards, Father.
It's interesting. I am so delighted to see that my son has a good heart. A good heart that gives him the impression that he is safe out there. But I need you to understand something, son. We live in a wicked world. A wicked world where people can go out of the way to harm even the just. I need you to be very careful. That's it.
I will, Father.
Good. But do you know why I'm very inquisitive? I am very inquisitive because it appears to me that you have not made up your mind to tell me what the problem is. Because as I'm looking at you sitting before me, I can see there is a problem. I am your father, Osita. And I am telling you to make up your mind. Make up your mind and let me know what the problem is. And if you are able to open up to me on what the problem is, trust me, I am going to find a solution to it.
My husband. I was told you want to see me.
Yes, I sent for you. I visited your hut earlier today. I was meant to understand that you had gone to visit your cousin.
Yes, I was told she wasn't feeling too well, so I had to check up on her.
So how is she now? I mean, how is she feeling now?
It's just fever. She has taken some herbs. She'll be fine.
Oh, thanks to the gods. I just hope she gets better. Because I do not want anything that will take away the glow of my beautiful wife.
So, can I go to my hut now?
No, my wife. I know you are angry with me. I know I have not been able to satisfy you. I mean, I have not been able to perform as a man. And I also know that you hold me in high esteem. I am sorry I have not been able to live up to that. Please, I want you to know that I have got it sorted out already.
That's what you say all the time. And you disappoint all the time.
Well, I'm sorry. I have disappointed you countless times. But I want to assure you that I have fixed it. Why don't you let me show you the lion I have made out of?
You were on me for a very long time, and nothing happened. I thought you said you had fixed it. What was all that about?
I'm sorry for disappointing you today. Please.
I want to go to my hut. I'll be more comfortable there. Sleep well.
What is happening to you? What is going on? When I was with other girls, I was a stallion. But I was a lion. Now I am with the woman I love. This thing has refused to work.
Greetings, my princess.
Greetings. Why are you here?
The prince, your husband, has asked me to call you to come join him for breakfast.
Tell my husband that I have already had breakfast.
Okay, my princess.
Greetings, my prince.
Where is my wife?
My prince, she said she has had breakfast.
Listen, I want you to be very honest with me. Has she had anything this morning?
I'm not sure. I didn't see anyone take food to her room. I didn't, my prince.
You can go back to your duty post.
Thank you, my prince.
My love, the prettiest woman in our kingdom. I am sure other women will feel jealous about your beauty.
Greetings, my husband.
Greetings. Why have you refused to join me for breakfast? Because I know that you've not had anything.
I am not hungry.
That's not true. I know you're angry with me over what happened last night. I am sorry. Okay, my love, I am very sorry. I promise you it will never happen again. Please. Look, I got you beautiful beads and material. They're in my hut. I will get them for you as soon as I get back to my hut, I promise. I love you so much, okay? I don't want to ever do anything that will get you angry. Please.
I love you too. It's okay. I know you're hungry and I do not want to keep you waiting. Let's go.
Thank you, my love.
This is a very common case, but you've come to the right place.
Thank you very much, wise one. Thank you.
Your problem is because you've used your manhood so much, it has become so weak to function.
Wise one. It is true I lived a very frivolous lifestyle while I was young. I fooled around with lots of women. But wise one, I am a changed man now. I am married to the woman of my dreams. The woman I love and cherish so much, wise one. You know our marriage is not complete if we're not able to consummate it.
Your problems are over now. Take this. Put it under your bed for 7 days. And on the 7th day, invite your wife over.
Wise one, just that. Wise one, I promise you, if this works, if you're able to make me come back as a man and perform well, I will come back and see you with lots of gifts in appreciation. Wise one.
And I await my gifts.
my life would have been a lot better. I would have been happily married with children. I would have had friends to visit and talk to. I would not have been alone in this world. Hi. Why has fate chosen this tough path for me? What did I ever do wrong? Who did I offend? Why did fate choose to make me a victim of circumstance? Why? Why?
My voice unheard. I'm alive.
My food! My food! My food! Chimo! Immediately I heard footsteps. I knew you must be the one.
Amazing, you're already getting used to my footstep. That is a sign of love, nothing else. So love.
Oh, so why are you here?
I'm not here to annoy you, no, at all. I actually brought very good cooked food for you. Yes.
You brought what?
Cooked food, in case you see. I don't want you to go and stress yourself cooking anything today. No. What do you plate now about 2 so that you eat this one now.
Today is not a good day for you to annoy me. At all.
I'm not here to annoy you.
Darling, thank you for the food.
You will love it.
Please, take it back. I don't want it.
Cooked food, good one.
I say thank you, but I don't want it.
Hold it.
What is it? That reminds me. Better go and warn your friend Osinachi. Tell him to stay away from me. What is wrong with both of you?
Can you put up now?
Osinachi, your friend.
Osinachi?
He has been disturbing me. Akajiri mome Junu.
Ozu. Dead bodies.
Ikenga! Ikenga! Come and carry your food, though! Ikenga!
You are the reason why I'm frowning my face. What is beautiful about this day?
Ikenga, please calm down. Be direct. I have somewhere I'm going to.
You have somewhere you're going to? Osinachi. Don't tell me that these 2 bags of yam that you are holding in your hand, this one now, you're actually taking it to Nneamaka's hut. Don't even try it. I wanna.
And if I drop you there, what is your business?
And I do what is my business?
Yes.
Yeah? Osinachi. Don't just make me forget we've been friends for years. And unleash my killing ability on you. See, it's like you've forgotten that my wife that I was supposed to marry, that year you collected that from me. And now, Nneamaka that I've been nurturing, I've been fertilizing for a very long time. I want to marry. You are taking 2 bags of yam to our house to bribe her. It will not happen. It's not possible.
Ikenga, save your breath. Now listen, if women choose me over you, it is not totally my fault. Well, I think you should just go and maybe take care of your face and maybe we should have a competition by then, not now. As you can see, I'm heading somewhere. So please, I'm not in for this drama. Excuse me.
Is it me that is talking to her, or there's somebody behind me that I cannot see? Me. Ikenga.
Greetings, my princess. Greetings, my prince.
My husband.
My love, how are you doing today?
Very well. But I'm better because you're here to see me.
I can see that. You do not know the amount of gladness that fills my heart whenever I set my eyes on you.
Your sugar-coated tongue is one thing I love about you.
I am a fast learner. I am learning from the best.
No, that's not true. You fool.
You, of course.
No, not me.
My love, I brought you this.
You are really my soulmate. You know, I've been having cravings for this the past few days.
Now, you didn't tell me.
Thank you, my husband.
You're welcome. I'm glad you like them.
Thank you. Care to join?
No. Enjoy. I brought them for you.
My home, wherever we may roam, through every laugh and tear, you are the one I hold so dear. Erima, my love,
My love, I know so many princes are jealous right now. I mean, they would wish to be in my position. But thank the gods, they finally blessed me by making you my wife. In fact, I don't know how I would have lived in this palace, ruling my subject all by myself, without you by my side. So much peace, so much love. I mean, there's no greater feeling knowing that you're mine.
If you feel this way, you can only imagine how I feel. You have a very prestigious name. Both old and young know that you're a great man. But I am the only person who knows how romantic you can be.
My love, I can see that you've started coating your tongues in sugar.
Well, I learned from the best. You. But then again, my words are true.
I love you so much. I love you very much.
I love you much more. Yeah. Thank you for all the joy and peace that you also bring. I love you.
Same here.
Stop! You, my love, I walk this road. With you, my heart forever bestowed.
I don't know what you are doing, but you get sweeter every blessed day we eat.
You know what to do, right? And I like the way you give it to me anyhow my body wants it.
Hey, my love.
Not like that useless one that has not been able to touch me since we got married.
Very hopeless man. But my love, what is he going to do when he finds out that you are no longer a virgin? You know, it's part of the custom and tradition of our land. A man must marry his wife virgin.
I didn't force him or beg him to marry me. He was captivated by my beauty and he decided to marry me, so that is his problem.
And moreover, I have already planned our marriage before he came out from nowhere. And took you away from me.
Don't stress yourself now. Isn't that why the gods punished him with manhood malfunction?
Oh, I love that.
Please, let's stop talking about that good-for-nothing, useless man. There are too many beautiful things we can do with our time. Instead of talking about him,
Right? Easy, man. You
No.
want to go?
If you two want to insult me, you better open up your mouth and talk. How
dare you stop us and talk to us?
I don't understand. Eh? I can see you two, you don't have respect.
Of course we have respect, but we will not waste it on a silly witch like you.
Mama witch? Have I killed any of your relatives before? How can you people be calling me a witch? How?
Your father waited for you to get married. What did you do? G, Iwetara. D, Iwetara. Your mother also wished for you to get married. What did you do? You did not bring any man to her before she died. Even suitors that was coming for you, you chased all of them away. Simply because you have a spiritual husband that's been following you everywhere. Eh? Did you say husband? With the amount of years she has spent in that coven, I am so sure they have rewarded her with husbands. Yes! You had that right. So, next time you see the both of us, don't dare to stop us. Don't try it. Try it.
No, try it. Witch. Silly witch.
Me witch.
No, me witch.
Me witch. Mama witch. Mama. Hey! Hey! Mama witch! Mama!
Where do I go from here? How do I start again? Tears like rain. My voice.
I hope this house works.
So you mean to tell me that those herbals didn't work?
Wise one, it didn't work. I do not want to say I am disappointed, but it didn't work. I placed the leaves under my bed as you instructed for 7 days. Wise one, I slept like a baby. It didn't work. My manhood refused to stand.
If those herbal leaves didn't work, then you need to consult a higher power.
How did I end up in this situation? How?
Your questions will be answered when you consult a higher power.
In shadows I'm left. Your fears cascading. Chimo. Yeah, man. Like animal, like animal, like animal, like animal. Obonye kanga bakuru, guamomonye mga kosara eo. Chimo, 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 nyelono makao. Because
Greetings, Father.
Greetings, son. How are you doing today?
As you can see, Father, I am doing good. I am okay, Father.
Sit down.
Thank you, Father. Father, I have something very important to discuss with you.
Go ahead, I'm listening.
Father, I want to travel to my late mother's village, and I'll be spending some time there, Father.
Son, there is nothing wrong with a man deciding to visit his mother's place. It's actually in line with our tradition in this kingdom, but I want to find out why this sudden decision to travel to your mother's village to spend some quality time there.
No, Father, it's actually not sudden. I mean, you agree with me that it's been a while since I visited my late mother's village. So I wouldn't want them to start feeling neglected, Father.
It's all right. May the gods forbid it that I'm going to prevent my own son from visiting his mother's village. Therefore, I give him my permission to go. But you are going to arrange the guards who will accompany you on that mission. And then I want you to arrange all the things you are going to eat while you are there, because I know you may be allergic to some of the things they serve in your mother's village. So I need you to arrange your own food that you will eat while you are there.
Yes, Father, you're correct. I'm allergic to some of their meal. I promise you, Father, I will gather everything I need for my journey. But please, Father, I want to plead with you that I will not be going with any of the guards. Father, I do not want to draw any attention. I want to go there as simple as possible, Father. I know you are going to tell me that it is not safe. But Father, please, I have the royal blood running inside of me, so no harm will come to me, Father.
My love, do you really have to go so far?
Yes, my love. You know I do. If I don't, very soon the villagers and even my father will start asking questions, and that I don't want. You have been a very patient wife. Not all women can be like you.
I just wish I can come with you. You know I can't stay a day without you.
I know. And you know, it's the same thing here. But I don't want you to, I don't want you to stress yourself. I'll be gone for a few days. And after that, I'll be back for you, my love. And I'll bring you lots of gifts. I'm coming back.
The gifts are not my problem. All I want is that you find a solution.
I hope so too. I hope so.
I love you.
I love you more.
I will stand by you through all of this. I promise.
Thank you. My love. I am going to miss you. I am going to miss you very much. But I do not want you to be sad. I will come back before you know it. Okay? I'm just going in search of the cure and I'll come back. You can sleep in my hut whenever you want to. At least feel my presence.
I wish I can come with you. I've already packed my bags. Please let me come with you, please.
My love, the last thing I'll ever want to do in this life is to allow you stress yourself. Please, I will come back before you know it. I promise you that. I just want you to sit, enjoy yourself, and be comfortable. Okay? Please.
If you insist. In that case, you have to start going before the sun comes out.
Come.
I don't want you to go. I don't want you to go.
I don't want to go too.
Hey, that way. You are here. Okay, boy,
Adim knows. How are you, my beautiful? What is it?
Take a look.
The gods of our land. Anyam Tutum, this look very expensive.
Of course they are. Keep them. I'll let you know when we'll sell.
I should keep this?
Yes.
Hey, Achalugo, is this not too much for me to keep?
No.
Okay. Oh, hide inside this mine. Fine. Okay. Obi. Is he gone now?
Oh yes, he's gone.
In that case, I have to drop this. You see, I told you something the other day that I am going to die for your sake. Let me start as as that fool is not around.
We have all the time to ourselves.
Oh! Ew! Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You see that place? Very good place, human being.
My princess,
What are you doing around my hut?
I was waiting for you to return, my princess.
You were waiting for me to return.
Yes.
I have returned. Go back to your hut.
Would you like me to bring something for you to eat, my princess?
I don't want anything. Leave.
Okay, sorry.
Obina,
Eh?
what was the meaning of what you did earlier today?
Odinobi, calm down. Why are you angry with me? Look at what I got for you.
I hope you're not using this to bribe me.
No. Odinobi, Obianujum, you are the true definition of your name. Obianuju.
Beautiful, I like them.
Yes. The most important thing is that they will be bringing and you will be eating.
Like Obegeriak.
Exactly. Now you are getting it. You are getting it now. There is nothing I will not do for you. I have plans for us. Once these plans mature, we will be enjoying. Odinobi, you are the most beautiful. Stop turning. Once you are turning, so just relax. And I don't know if we can go inside so that Obinna can, let me relax my head on top of him.
Last boy.
No, now. Obiago Quademunado, Obianuju. I wait for Oge. If Oge, I will die because of you.
Great herbalist, please, you're my last hope. I want you to do everything within your powers to help me. Please.
Sit down. If your problem is natural, then I'll be able to help you. But if it is not, I can't. And no other herbalist will be able to help you. But wait a minute. You see this chalk? Take it. Put it in the water the night before you meet your wife. Okay. And like I said, if it is natural, then it will cure you. But if it is not, nothing can be done about it.
Thank you. Thank you very much, the great herbalist. May the gods continue to bless you.
Thank you. And you too. So, make sure you use it the way I said.
I will.
If your problem is natural, then I'll be able to help you. But if it is not, I can't. And no other herbalist will be able to help you.
What's that? Food. I don't want to eat. Take that thing out of here.
Princess,
Take it out!
It's actually nice.
Take it out! Go out! Take it out now! Eh? Is you always portraying yourself like you know too much? That's why I'm in this mess and down with fever.
In your eyes I see my home, wherever we may roam. Through every love and tear, you are the one.
My husband. Greetings, my prince.
I missed you.
I missed you more. I missed you so much. Greetings.
I missed you so much.
I missed you more.
I love you. Look tired. I'm eating. Join me, please.
Oh. Thank you.
Excuse us. Take it to his hot.
Okay. Sorry.
Thank you so much, my wife. I mean, you know, I will be very greedy if I eat your food after eating already.
Okay. If you say so. So tell me, how did your trip go?
My trip was very bored. I mean, very, very bored. Because you're not there with me. But thank the gods I was able to see the man I traveled miles to see. He provides solution. I just pray to the gods that this time around it will work.
You traveled really far for this, my husband. It will definitely work. Sure you don't want to join me?
No, I tried. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
If your problem is natural, then I'll be able to help you.
Is he a man now?
Of course he is not. He's still as useless as ever. But my biggest worry now is my pregnancy symptoms are beginning to get very visible and obvious.
Achaluko. Anyam tutu. Relax. Don't panic. Our child will be fine. Yeah? You hear me? Good. Now that our first plan of seducing him, making him feel he is the one that got you pregnant, has failed, we have to move to the next plan.
Of course, without hesitation.
Good.
I will be on my way now before he starts looking for me.
I was thinking maybe we'll just have one more for the baby, so that we can warm it, so that the bond will be stronger with the baby. Don't you think? Don't you think so?
Don't worry. You know I will always make it up to you. I want you as much as you want me. But I have to go now.
I wish I could tell the ends of time. Always secret cause it's a secret cause.
According to the herbalist, if the medicine didn't work, then it's a spiritual problem and it can't be solved. How did I get into this? Should I just tell my father? No.
My love, worrying will not solve any problem.
Who would be in my shoes and not be bothered? I am not yet a complete man. It bothers me.
My husband, to me you are a complete man. Never you think less of yourself. Yes, it is okay to feel bothered. It is normal. But also have it at the back of your mind that I am here for you. You know what? Let's take a walk. Sitting down here will only encourage you to think more. Shall we?
Let's go.
I'm sorry.
Thank you very much.
My husband, are you okay? Did he hurt you?
I love, I'm fine.
Get up! Will you useless people? You're supposed to protect the prince, yet you're lying down here. You can't even protect him.
I'm sorry, my princess.
My love, it's okay. It's fine. Now you listen, both of you. Whatever happens here remains here. Am I understood?
Yes, my prince.
My love, let's go.
Please,
listen to me now. Hear me out first.
Please, no. If this involves killing anybody, then count me out. I'm not part of it.
I am not killing anyone. Look, I just gave her the deadly poison. She will be the one to do the killing. You understand? I am not staining my hand with any blood.
What difference does it make? You were the one that gave her the poison. Indirectly, you are the one that killed him.
She is the one that killed him. I'm not the one that's going to put the poison inside the brain's food. I am not the one. I'm not going to do that.
Obi Nasi.
Okay.
I know I love money.
Yes.
And I want the money. But at it stands now, I don't want to get.
Obianujum, let me shock you now. You see, after killing the prince, she will bring the wealth to me. You understand? I will now use it and come and marry you. I am not going to stain my hands with any blood. I promise you with my life. Remember I said I will die for your sake. I am not going to die for her sake. So please, don't do this to me, please. My love, eh?
As much as this thing sounds very, very nice, I like it, eh? But please, count me out.
Are you now taking this into another man? Obianujum, hey, you want to leave me like... Okay, come, let me go and collect back the poison. Obianujum. Hey.
Baby, I have tried so many times to make it up to you. Remember, love.
First, I have a spiritual problem that poses a big threat to my future and the future of this great kingdom. Now someone wants to attack me. Someone wants me dead. What is all this? What is really happening? If Father knows about this, things would definitely blow out of proportion. And I don't want it. No, I can't let this happen. I would definitely get to the root of this myself.
How I wish I could turn the hands of time.
I know.
My love.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry about what happened.
You did not even tell me that that idiot has a spiritual share.
I didn't know. I was just as surprised as you are. I didn't know.
Anyways, he may be lucky today. He might be luckier to resist the external attack. Let me see how he's going to escape this particular internal attack. My love, this is a very dangerous poison. Yes, this is a very dangerous poison. I collected this poison from the famous witch in the neighboring village. You see this very poison here? It can even kill someone by the hail of it. So, I want you to drop some more in his food. The rest will be history. Please, I can even ask you to think more. Don't inhale it or don't bring it anywhere closer to your nose. Just in his food. Nonsense.
I love how smart you are.
You know, I can do anything for the sake of our love.
It's okay. Let me start going so
Please.
it doesn't look for me.
I hope nobody knows you are coming out.
Nobody.
Let me go back to my house. Hey, are we meeting tonight? My love. Nonsense.
So how was your visit to your mother's village?
Oh, Father. The journey was smooth and beautiful, Father. Father, you need to see the people there. They are so loving and peaceful.
Good.
My late grandparents' hut, it has been occupied by my cousins, Father.
And I want to believe you sent my greetings to them, right?
Of course I did. And they also sent their regards.
I can see that you have become very fond of your wife.
What will I do, Father? I mean, I cannot thank the gods enough for making her my bride.
And from the way things are unfolding right before my eyes, I have every reason to believe that very soon we are going to hear the cry of a baby. Right?
Very true, Father.
Good. Interesting. And I hope you enjoy the palm wine. It's actually very fresh.
Of course, Father.
Fresh tap from the tree.
Indeed, very fresh.
Greetings, my prince. Greetings, my princess. My princess.
Excuse us.
Okay.
My husband. You have been so bothered lately. Why are you thinking so much?
My love, there are so many things going on in my mind right now. I just can't help but find myself thinking.
You know thinking doesn't solve any problem. That is why I decided to prepare your favorite for you. I know you like it.
Thank you so much, my love. I mean, why wouldn't I get better after eating your well-prepared meal? Thank you so much, my love. I mean, I enjoyed the meal. Thank you.
I'm glad you enjoyed it.
You're the best.
I know. I thought you said that by mere perceiving that poison, one would die.
Yes. Ugeboibo, I have never disappointed you before, and I will not start now. I even tried it with my dog. It killed the dog instantly.
How come the prince is still breathing? He finished the food. There was nothing left inside the plate.
Nothing left? Hey, so it's true. These things they say about royalty is true.
I don't know what you're talking about. If you know what you have to do, do it fast. We're running out of time.
Don't worry. I am going to bring a special backup. They call this one kill and dry. Ukerion. I am going to that same famous witch to get another one. You see this very one? Kill and dry is a new one. I am bringing it out. That one is kill and once immediately he swallowed that one, he will die and dry immediately. I am going there tomorrow. First thing tomorrow morning. Hey, so this place did not die. Hey. See, what I'm going to do, I will tell that witch doctor.
I'm trusting you. I'm trusting you. I don't understand all the stories that you're telling me. I'm trusting you.
I will tell him to prepare a special Ukerion.
Whatever it is you want to do, do it.
Okay. Don't worry, tomorrow I'll give you this very
fast. I'm out of
are you not going to give me a hug? Are you not going to give me a hug? I told you I am going to die for your sake. Don't worry, I promise to die for your sake. Hey, so that useless boy did not die. I told her to put a Majai. I should have told her to pour everything inside. Give you a
Who did this now? Who did this to my vegetable? Who did this now? Who did this? Who did this? Who did this? What have I done to you people? What have I done to you people? Look at my vegetable. You people will not sell to me in the market. Now you are destroying my vegetable. What is it? What is it? Okay, no. Who have I offended? Who have
have I offended? Who have I offended? Look at my vegetable. What have I done? What have I done? What have I done? What have I done? This is not good. This is not good. This is not good. What have I done to you people? Chimo, who did this? What is this now? What is this? What is this? What have I done to you people? What have I done to you people? What is my crime? What have I done to you people? What is this? What is my crime? Tell me, what is my crime? Who have I offended? Who have I offended? Answer me. What is this now? Hey, you people call me a witch, but you're the ones that act like witches. Can you hear me? What is it? What is this? 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 What have I done? What have I done? What have I done?
There is a kingdom far away. There is a prince in your body. His majesty is crowned.
Onye ka mejọ. Onye ka mejọ. Onye ka mejọ lo. Onye. Hey, this is not good. This is not good. What have I done to you people? What have I done to you people? What have I done to you people? Look at my face.
Oh, I wish that it never happened to me. Oh, a sacred card. I wish that it never happened to me.
My love, news got to me that you're not feeling well. What happened?
My husband is nothing to worry about. I have taken herbs. I will be fine.
Oh, my love, you know I do not like to see you in this condition. Please, is there anything I can do to help?
I just want to be left alone. Silence will be much appreciated.
All right, my love. But just in case you need anything, please do not fail to call my attention.
Thank you, my husband. Thank you.
Understands me. I know that I've never made it up to you. Maybe I'm ashamed of what is wrong with me. Please stay with me. I need you now. My love, don't leave me alone. Baby, more. Don't leave me alone. My sweetheart.
Go inside. Immediately. Take that food out of my chambers.
Sorry,
Take out the plates from my room, please. Open everywhere. Air it out.
Okay.
I don't want to perceive the aroma of the food.
Sorry.
This is my princess.
My lord,
How are you feeling now?
I'm fine. I'm better.
Thank the gods. I brought you some grape. I believe it will help you.
And my husband, as much as I love grapes, I don't feel like taking it. I've lost my appetite.
My love, is there anything you want? I mean, is there anything you want me to get for you? Anything at all, I'll provide it.
Nothing. I'll just go inside and rest. I'm tired. Let me go in and lie down.
Nneamaka.
You said the house is working, and you are feeling better. But I can't see any improvement.
I'm better. Taking the herbs is working. Don't worry, we just need to give it time.
Are you sure?
Yes. I'm fine, my husband. Please, ask any of the maidens to give me water to rinse my mouth. Then they should prepare roasted yam for me.
Alright, let me get them to do that at once.
Please. They should also put, they should cut ugu, not the cooked one, and put on the plate with raw egg. Mix the raw egg and fresh ugu like that together. Thank you. Don't forget the water.
All right.
Oluchi.
What is it?
Father, she said she's fine, but it's glaring, Father, that she's not. I mean, I cannot do anything but worry for her, Father.
Okay, as the one who is always with her, what symptoms have you noticed?
Father, she's always feverish. And she keeps craving for different meals. As a matter of fact, Father, she throws up at the smell of anything that irritates her, Father. And she spits frequently.
And you're actually bothered about that?
Father, I am bothered about it, and I don't understand why you're laughing, Father.
So the only thing I can say to you is congratulations. I am saying that because your wife is pregnant.
Pregnant? How?
She's pregnant. Yes. Well, if you doubt me, go to the oldest palace cook and ask her to prepare the ancient pregnancy herbs for you to serve your wife. You give it to her and she drinks it without feeling anything funny, without throwing up. That means she's pregnant. But if she's not able to drink it, or if she drinks it and then she misbehaves, that means she's just sick. She's not pregnant. And that you are right. Can you do that?
My love,
My husband.
I brought you medicine. I have faith that this will work and make you feel better again.
Thank you, my husband. Nice aroma.
She likes it.
My love, I will have to leave you so that the medicine can work.
Thank you, my love. Good night. Please, my husband, help.
Go to the oldest palace cook and ask her to prepare the ancient pregnancy herbs for you to serve your wife. When you give it to her and she drinks it without feeling anything funny, without throwing up, that means she's pregnant.
Is everything okay?
No, everything is fine. Everything is fine. I'll come back and check on you.
Okay.
Don't own your life so you can't take it. You have been through tribulations and the time to vindicate you has come. Remember you caused the prince after he committed atrocity.
Yes, Ugoloma. I cursed the prince. I told him that wherever he will find love, that is where he will also find pain.
The prince found love in the eyes of a woman, his wife. But he has not been able to consummate their marriage because his manhood stopped controlling. But right now, his wife is pregnant for another man. The same man who tried to kill him. Nneamaka, go to the palace and tell them all of this. You will forgive the prince and marry him. You are the next queen of this kingdom.
Ugoloma, how can I go to the palace? They will not even allow me speak. Okay.
Go!
Okay.
Go, my child.
Okay. Okay.
Go!
Okay.
Son, this is so much unlike you. You say there is something you want to discuss with me, and you prefer to speak before the others. The others are here, and we're waiting for you to speak. Why are you not saying anything? Speak.
I want to see the king.
What's going on there?
I want to see the king. I want to see the king.
Okay, let her come, let her come.
Your Majesty.
Let her come. Guards, go far. Go again, I will call you when I need you.
Greetings, my elders.
Yes, what is it?
Your Majesty, I know what the prince wants to say that he's not able to say.
And what is that?
Irima is pregnant.
How did you know Irima is pregnant? Father, I do not know who this woman is, but what she just said is true. Ever since I got married to this woman here, Father, I have never touched her. What? Yes, Father. How come she's pregnant?
I don't understand. Son.
Father.
Since you got married to her, you have never touched her.
Father, I have never touched her.
And she's pregnant. What are you saying? You know anything?
Your manhood is not working.
Hey! What is going on here? Hey! Can you start talking? My son just confided in me that since he got married to you, that he has not touched you.
Hey!
And now you are pregnant.
Hey!
Can you tell us who is responsible for this pregnancy? Who?
Your Majesty, I placed a curse on the prince, and that is why he has not been able to consummate his marriage with his loved one.
Hey!
Yes, Your Majesty. I went to the stream to have my bath, and the prince raped me. He took away my pride, knowing full well that no man will get married to a maiden who lost her virginity to rape.
Rape you how? Father, I cannot even remember this woman. I don't know her.
Oh, my prince, now you do not know me. I placed a curse on you that wherever you find love, there you will also find pain.
Father, she's a witch. She's lying. Father, please ask the guards to send her out of here.
No, the guards cannot take her out. My son told me that since he got married to you, that he has not done anything with you. And now you are pregnant.
Yeah? Oh, yeah.
This one is saying she laid a curse on my son. And I'm asking you, who got you pregnant?
Yes. Who got you? Zaya.
Your Majesty, please permit me to ask her a question. Why did you plan with Obinna to kill the prince?
Hey! Erima, you planned with Obinna to kill me, so it was you all along.
Who is Obinna?
Her secret lover.
Guards!
Thank you, Igwe.
Guards! Come here!
Run. Not here. Hey! Don't.
This Obinna we speak of, can you tell us where we can find the Obinna? Yes.
Obinna is the son of Mazi.
Go and get Obinna, the son of Mazi, come here immediately.
Okay, my king.
Come on. Hey. Yeah. Just sit down. You just sit down. Just sit down. So you are that wretched son of this kingdom who is behind this blunder that is committed right before me. So you are that fool who has defied this kingdom by sleeping with another man's wife.
Hey.
Killing you will be a blunt to my sword. Your blood is too basic to bring defilement on my land. I hereby banish both of you.
Yes.
Banish you from this kingdom.
Yes.
I don't want to see you anywhere near this kingdom. If I set my eyes on both of you, anywhere in this kingdom, I am going to order both of you to be killed. And when you are killed, there will be no corpse to be buried by any of your families. Both of you. So shall it be.
He said,
take them out of this place. Move. Come on, move. Move. Hey, come on.
Wait this. Arrow, one. Arrow.
Please.
Oh, baby, I am sorry for the things I have caused you. Please forgive me.
I am sorry. I am very sorry for all the pains. I am sorry for all the torture you went through because of me. Please, find a place in your heart to forgive me. Before my father, here the king, and the elders of our land, I promise you this day, I will live the rest of my life correcting my wrongs. Please, I am sorry.
This union is blessed. Both of you have pure hearts. And the pure hearts brought you to this place where you are now. This marriage is going to produce children that will listen to you. Children that will be blessing to the royal family. You are not ever going to lack anything at all Because everything you will ever demand or everything you will ever genuinely need will be provided by the forces of the universe. I declare you both, man and the wife. And come the next Eke market day, we are going to organize an elaborate ceremony where both of you will be presented to the people as the future queen and the king of this kingdom.
Ise!
You both right.
Ise. Igwe. Dalo hinne. Yes.
Lalia.
Igwe.
Hey! Igwe.
You be right.
Thank you, Father.
Shall we go with you, myself?
I don't tell me enough, sister.
Where do I go from here? How do I start again? Tears like rain, my voice unheard, and my life is shattered. Who can hear me? But who will believe me? My voice is stolen away. In shadows I'm left, where fears cascading. Shimo, yeah.